Assalamu alaikum grade 6. How are you? I hope so you all will be fine. Allah bless you all. It's me, your English teacher here. Today it's my 5th lecture with you, and today we are going to do past perfect tense. Okay. In this video I will tell you what is past perfect tense, its formation, and its chart making. Okay. So let's start. Okay, it's your notebook sample page. First of all, you have to mention date and day on the top of the page, and you will write topic and act. Okay, activity, what you are going to do. We are going to make tense chart. Okay, first of all, look what is past perfect tense. It is used to express the past action already finished when another past action happened. Okay, when action uh, completely finished in the past, we can say that it is past perfect tense. Okay, and also a comparison with another past action happened. Okay, so let's see the formation of past perfect tense. Subject plus had plus third form of verb plus object. Okay, helping verb is had, and you know that had is the past form of have. So subject had, and we use here third form of verb, neither first form nor second form. We use here third form of verb and object. Third form of verb and had tell us that some action is completely finished. Okay, now I'll explain you it with the help of example. I will tell you the positive, negative and interrogative sentences, how to change positive sentences into negative and then into interrogative. Okay, so first sentence, positive sentence, I have she had gone to the park. Okay, in this sentence she is subject, had is helping verb, gone is third form of go. Okay, and the park is object. She had gone to the park. It's a positive sentence of past perfect tense, and its helping verb is had, and we use third form of verb. Moving on, if we are going to make negative sentence, its negative sentence is, we will do, we will simply add not after helping verb. Okay, before verb and after helping verb. She had not gone to the park. It's a negative sentence. And if we I'm going to make interrogative mean question sentence. So what we will do, you know that helping verb, we put helping verb in the start. Okay, we begin our sentence with helping verb. Helping verb in this sentence is had, so we will write, first we write had, and you don't forget to capitalize had she gone to the park, and at the end we'll put question mark. So it's a positive, negative and interrogative sentence of past perfect tense. I have another example. Second example is we had won the match. Okay, in this sentence we is subject, had is helping verb, won is third form of win, and the match is object. Okay, we had won the match. Okay, to make its negative, we will add not after helping verb. We had not won the match, and its interrogative is had we won the match, and at the end question mark. Okay, students, learn it, understand it, learn it, make this chart on your notebook, and after that I'll send you homework too. Okay, Allah Hafiz.